Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode in our unboxing channel. So for today, we have this Xiaomi uh, wowstick. It's a screwdriver set that I bought from Lazada. I think it's around 1,500 pesos. And let's take a look at it now. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe for more unboxing videos. Yan. So yes, this is the wowstick 1F Plus. So just so you're familiar, there's different packages. They're all wowstick. There's different types of there's different packages, no? And some models have different contents. And from okay, I'm and even I'm actually even I'm confused which package includes which uh content, because there's a lot of different packages, and there's a lot of different price ranges. Okay, so just be careful. Make sure you check what's included in the package if you're going to buy this particular precision screwdriver. So yeah, just there's some appreciate the packaging there for a while. Okay, Xiaomi is like trying to be Apple or something, and they're trying to produce simple uh, packaging products. Okay, so what do we have here? We've got a magnetic screw pad. We've got this, I believe, would be the tools, or okay, that's the wow stick, I guess. We've got here some screwdriver sets. Okay, accessories, home tools, accessories. Okay, base. That's what it says there, and toolbox accessories. Okay, let's open this one by one. But let's take a look first here. What's this? Okay, so this is the packaging. Sorry, this is all the literature that's included in it. Yeah. Let's open this one. What do we have here? Looks like I really have to destroy the packaging. So, no. Okay, there you go. It's a stand. All right. So it's a stand. So let's put it here. Set this aside. Let's open this accessory box. And we have a USB cable, USB micro. We have a suction cup. We have okay, I think this is for, the separating, it's used for opening electronics. I believe this is this is where you could put, that used to demagnetize the when you have the screw, you put it here so that the screw drops without you touching it. We have a bottle for screws, and that includes some screws. So I don't know why you would need those. Drill bits. The bottle is useful if you're going to open some electronics, and you need a place where you could put your bottles, screws. Okay, so this is the X2 drill bit. How do you open this? All right, so you just pull it out, and the screws come that way, and you actually have an index here at the outer area of the tube on what kind of um, what kind of bits are in that group, so you don't have to uh, fiddle around. Okay, so this is the X1 group for of bits. Let's put this aside. Next one. Okay, and this is the X3 group of bits. Okay, and this is the actual Xiaomi wowstick. Okay, it's not removable, and it only includes the, yep. Okay, so there's no speed control, there's just direction control, and there is LED lights. There's no way to remove the lithium ion battery. All right. And I guess this would be the some travel kit. Yeah, somewhere you could put the um, wow stick along with one of its cartridges or bits. And when you're not this is not in use, you could put it here. There you go. And finally, the screw mat. Let's open this one. Okay, it's a small screw mat, magnetic, where you could put, you know, uh, screws without losing them. Yeah, there you go. It's magnetic, so it's just a magnet there where you can put your screws so that you don't lose track of them, and you can, if you're not gonna need a screw, you can put them in the small bottle that's included here. So there you go. So just take note, if you're planning to buy this, there's different types of packages that's out there. So you have to be careful on what you are actually buying. So there's packages that don't include this set but includes four sets of bits. I was actually hoping to get the X0, but it's not included here. There's another part there for X0. I'm not sure what the package includes it. There's also a version of this that does not have batteries, or that does not come with the lithium battery that um, comes with the double A. So this one comes with lithium ion batteries that is rechargeable. So yeah, nothing much there. It's a screwdriver, and yeah. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, share, and see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.